Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very important for all of you because my brother, this time Reef Finance is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but they were fails down very badly this time. You can see here minus 1.34%. The price is decreased now. So what's the reason, my friend, and what we will need to be safe from the loss, and how we can earn money from crypto, my friend? This time, my friend, the Reef Finance is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. 0.020643 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and 0.01 USD dollar is the current price. So definitely the price will be increasing if a holder are starting selling, holding. If a holder are starting investing, so the price will pumps up, because when a volume is increased, so definitely the price is also increased. So I just tell you, my friends, to please volume increase if you are starting holding, if you are starting investing more and more. So otherwise, my friend, they will fails down more and more, and they will never give you a profit. So therefore I will notify you to please don't do any mistake and get a profit. Please hold now. So therefore I will notify you to expert says to upcoming time, my friend. I think absolutely the Reef Finance will pumps up, because after a very long dump, every coin will take a very huge pump, because this is the circulation, my friend. Every coin will be moving in this circulation. So after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So therefore this is possible to upcoming time this coin will get a profit. Please holder, you will also need to hold now, otherwise they cannot give you a profit. It's all depend if you are hold, so they will give you a profit. Otherwise if you are starting selling, so they will never give you a profit. They will also, my friends, decreasing. So therefore minus 0.27% they will decrease. I hope, my friends, they will recover this all loss and they will give you a profit. See you next time. Refinance holder, please like video and also subscribe channel.